What's up, guys? Your boy Omar Khan. Today we'll be talking about Baby Cake Token. And is Baby Cake Token a scam? This coin has been recently popping off. It is currently #1 in trending on CoinMarketCap, has a crazy Telegram community, but is pulled back 20%. This one did have a 2 days in a row running up 200%. So there's a lot of attention around this one. There was a ton of comments, and the community wants to know, is Baby Cake Token a scam? Is it another like a potential gem? We're gonna go through all of that, so make sure you watch all the way to the end. While you're at it, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel. It helps the channel tremendously, helps grow this community, and while you're at it, like it as well, so we can share this video out there to let people know if this is a potentially scam or a gem that they should buy. Let me know what you think in the comment section below before we even get started. I'm waiting. All right, hopefully by this point you comment on what you think. And now let's go straight to CoinMarketCap. We see CoinMarketCap, Baby Cake Token trending #1. We see Baby Dogecoin, another coin we've been covering decently on this channel, also trending. But today we'll talk about Baby Cake Token because this one it's an interesting project. I actually kind of like it. I think it's pretty cool. But we'll keep biases aside and let's just actually go through the project together and kind of decide whether this is something you should invest in. It is down 21%, okay? And we know in the crypto, 16%. Okay, it looks like people are buying that dip, so maybe low-key you got to go in there and buy the dip yourself. But essentially, guys, this coin is fairly new, only launched about 3 days back, and from that point on, it had a crazy run up. And then right at this point, it had 200% up, but then a decent pullback. We're down about 20% in the past 24 hours, which is it's relatively speaking. When you have run-ups like that back to back, it's destined to happen. People are going to cash out when it sees some new all-time highs. But let's actually go over to the community and take a look what's happening. Okay, so Baby Cake, buy and get cake. So cake obviously referring to the PanCAKESWAP native token cake. Again, you already know that I actually hold cake. I think it's their compounding mechanism is great. It's a great way to earn passive income. I will be making a dedicated video on that soon, so make sure you subscribe. All right, so just a decent community. We see for it being about 3 days old, 10,000 followers, insane. We see this is probably an older Twitter account, so someone else had this before, but 10,000 followers in the past couple of days. Now that I see this, it may not be organic, but I don't want to say anything just yet. But essentially, that's what we see. Pretty active community, something we like to see. We see time to eat some more. Who is this? Crypto Messiah. Again, must be a crypto influencer, 70,000 followers. Okay, but looks like he is in it. Time to eat more cake and just drawing some potential patterns. Hopefully, we can see something like this. Now, let's actually hop over to the website to get an idea of what this project is, because as of now, all we see is some charts. So let's go over to the project website and actually see what this coin's all about. So let's pop over here. That should be the website. There we go. All right, so Baby Cake, hold Baby Cake and earn more cake. The first cake reflectionary token. Here's the contract address. Let's see what pops us over. They have over 30,000 holders, which is pretty insane. Great way to get a project started in a couple of days. That's awesome. Okay, and we gotta go back to the website. All right, so they have over 37,000 Telegram members, and we will just verify that right now. And we see they have, 38,000. So it's growing rapidly fast. Over 100,000 plus, 100 million market cap from fair launch, which is awesome. And you can join the Telegram if you want to see. The guys, this video is not sponsored, but it was just trending, so I had to cover it myself. We see there is a tech rate audit in progress. So CerTech audit, it's going to be good. It will just verify the project to make sure it's not a rug pull, which obviously we'd be afraid of. That's what the video's title is. This project a scam? So this is some signs that, okay, there's some proof there. We see other influencers talking about it. We see generally a lot of YouTubers talking about this coin. So hey, this might be something legit. We see $100 million market cap from a fair launch, which is great. So no pre-sale bots. What is Baby Cake? Baby Cake proposes an innovative feature in its contract: dividend yield paid in cake. With the auto claim feature, simply hold Baby Cake and you'll receive cake automatically in your wallet. Hold Baby Cake and get reward in cake on every transaction. Made with and by Hollow Monk. I'm not sure who that is. What our community thinks. So I guess this is just from their Telegram community. I guess people, I love Baby Cake. They're just tweeting this stuff. This guy's showing how much cake he got, I guess, and it's just showing a little bit of community. So it just shows. From what I understand, I believe one of their members is doxxed. We see another YouTuber talking about this coin. The community is what makes this token a success. We have the best one. And guys, honestly, I said this many times on many projects I covered. Community is everything. A strong, big community typically means the coin will last because they're just going to shill it to all the other communities and just get more people on board. Not that that's the best marketing strategy, but definitely an effective one. Communities are everything. And with 38,000 200,000 members, this project may even last through a bear run. Granted, it's not a rug pull, okay? Why are people pumped? 7% redistribution in cake. 7% of every buy/sell is taken and redistributed to all the holders. Hold baby cake token and earn cake. Minimum 200,000 tokens. Okay, so there's some more context here. So you need to own 200,000 baby cake tokens, and every time someone buys or sells, 7% will be redistributed back to holders. That's very interesting. I kind of like that. So simple, very like similar to SafeMoon. If you guys are not unfamiliar on how that works, so every time someone buys or sells, there's a taxation that takes place, and out of that taxation, 7% will be redistributed back to us holders in cake coins. So you're gonna be constantly growing your cake supply. Hopefully, this works on Trust Wallet and our wallets that we use. But again, I haven't bought this coin yet, so I can't say just yet. Okay, auto paid every 60 minutes. So it looks like they're gonna pay out every 60 minutes. For the first time ever, you don't need to claim your earned cake. It's automatically sent to your wallet with wallet every 60 minutes. So you don't need to claim it. Apparently, it's just going to be sent to you automatically. Pretty cool. 3% auto liquidity pool. So 3% of each transaction is transformed into liquidity for PancakeSwap. It's automatically and helps create a price floor. So in brackets, stability. So 3% is going to be added to the redistribution. So far we see 10% taxation, 1% selfie, extra 1% fee applies for sales. This will allow users to reduce swing trading and break whales control. So they're gonna add a 1% fee for every time you sell, just in case, so they can reduce the amount of day trading going on. Pretty cool feature. It's like an anti-whale system, some people like to say. Okay, secured by design. Initial liquidity provided will be locked with DX sale for more than 1 year. This contract will be audited by TechRate done and CerTic in process. So the TechRate audit is complete, which is great, and then the CerTic audit is in process. Okay, pretty cool. The 2 audits done. Okay, and then massive marketing plan. 5% of each transaction is allocated to the marketing in cake. So swap to cake in real time to avoid dumps, so we can fuel the most ambitious project and reward our active community. So it looks like they have 5% that's going to be allocated to marketing, which is pretty cool. All right, and some token metrics here. So they didn't have a private sale, no whitelist, no pre-sale. They just went to Fairlot. So 0 bots is what they're trying to emphasize here. So tax is going to be 15 to 16%. 15% of your buying, 16% of your selling, 7% gets redistributed, 5% goes to, I guess, the team / marketing fund. And then there's also that 3% for the auto liquidity, which runs up the percentages for us. Liquidity is locked 100% locked on D-lock for 1 year, and the total supply being 100 billion. Yeah, about 100 or 1 trillion. Sorry guys, numbers not my thing. All right, so roadmap. So some things. Obviously, the cake was born. Website launch, white paper release, brand development, social media created, organic awareness campaigns, 1,000 Telegram members, and learning to speaking. Okay, influencers, PooCoin ads, DEX tools, trending, website revamp, community building, massive cake payouts, and 5,000 Telegram members. And all these are checked, okay? And then obviously the development stages, CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, TechRate audit, CerTic, which is on the way, listing on CEX, Hotbit, Whitebit, and Gate.io. So that's great. It hasn't been listed, so potentially we could buy it now and potentially get some massive gains for when they do list. Influencer marketing push, so they haven't really reached, I guess, any big influencers yet. I mean, they haven't contacted me. This is not a paid promo. I'm just covering this coin. And then baby cake dashboard, earn tracking, and 10,000 Telegram members, which is also reached. Now growing up, baby cake swap, baby cake merch shop, baby cake AR game app, building NFT platform, listing on major CEXs, massive influencer partnership, 20,000 Telegram members, and more to be announced. So looks like they're gonna have their own swap soon and merch store and all that jazz, which is something that we're seeing normal in the crypto community. And they have some other FAQs, some frequently asked questions, other YouTubers who talked about it, and then a tutorial on how you could buy it, which is pretty simple. Yeah, so you can follow these steps here if you want to buy it. On iPhone, it's a little bit different, but generally speaking, this is a how to buy tab. And as we see it on their website, guys, and what we can take from this, guys, is, again, I'm going to tell it to you straight. Just going to the website, and this is not a sponsored video by any means. If they want to sponsor me, I'll openly come out and let you guys know. But what I think from this is, if this is a scam, no, it's just like any of the other Binance Smart Chain coins at this point, guys. Realistically speaking, anybody come out and create a coin. The difference is some people have a great marketing team. They have funds behind it. They can push the price and create something proper, like we're seeing here with Baby Dogecoin. And then there's some people who are going to be really grimy about it, and you typically get scammed. Usually, the scammy coins don't last too long, and they definitely don't, it operates different from this, right? We're seeing a lot of organic growth here. We're seeing a lot of Telegram members, which is great. Something we haven't seen, like usually when it's a rug pull project, not to say this is not a rug pull by any means, but usually it's a bit sooner. They usually don't have that much members, but it's possible, okay? As for Telegram members, guys, people could buy them. We got to go there and see how active they are to really prove these are active members. With the Twitter, we see that Twitter is not a new Twitter account. It's been a while, so the Twitter followers may not be accurately represented. I wouldn't know because I didn't cover them from day one, so I couldn't have seen it. So I'll put that out there as well. As for their audits, we have to read it. So I have the certic audit here. We can pop open and let's see what they say on the last page. They kind of give us a rundown on what's good and what's bad. So security issues, no high severity issues, no medium security issues, and then no low security issues. No dividend tracker may be changed. So the logic of set balance and other functions could be another and not audited. So conclusion: smart contract did not contain high security issues. Liquidity pair contract security is not checked due to out of scope. The further transactions and operations with the fund raised are not relevant to this particular contract. Okay, you'd have to read the whole thing to get a better idea, but I mean, remember, guys, this is not financial advice. It's just your boy Umar Khan. I'm just a dude on the internet. This is not financial advice, more so for entertainment purposes and just bringing awareness for coins. But generally speaking, it looks like a decent project. Again, I have a simple investing philosophy, guys. Only invest the money you're willing to lose. If I'm gonna invest in a project like this, which I'm thinking about, just because I like how the redistribution works, it's down 20%, so it recovers. It's an easy 20% to gain. I'll throw in 100, 200, 500 bucks max. And then if it was to rug, it's not the end of the world for me. I strongly suggest the same thing. A lot of people, what they do is they'll just go out there and drop buckets of cash on products they're not familiar with, hoping they're going to get gains. And at that point, guys, you're gambling. You may as well go to Roulette and have some fun while you're at it. But jokes aside, guys, I don't think this is a scam. But again, I there's no way for us to tell. It just does check some boxes to be a safe product to invest in. But like any of these coins, guys, you could get in, make some solid gains and exit, or you could stay in the long term and just earn that reflection, kind of like what we did with SafeMoon. Either way, it looks like a project that I'm interested in. It's very early, very new, lots of attention around it, so it might just continue to pick up. So if you're part of the Cake Army, let me know in the comment section below if you're in it to win it. If you guys have any other opinions, thoughts, comments, let me know in the comment section below. You can also come over to my my Discord community, and we can chat over there. That's basically for this video, folks. If you enjoyed content like this, do make sure you like this video, and while you're at it, subscribe to the channel. That's basically for this video, folks. Only rest of the money you're willing to lose. It's your boy Umar. Peace.